Yo, what's going on, family? Welcome, man. We're about to have an unboxing, man. But before we do this, man, I just want to celebrate Black history. And I just want to bring this to your attention. Have you ever heard of black codes? If you've never heard of black code, I want you to type it in your Google search and just read exactly what it is, right? So, and I'll just tell you off top, couldn't buy property. We didn't have the right to do anything, be in public squares and things of that nature. But guess what? Here's the beautiful thing right now. All of our ancestors, even some of my descendants in my family, have fought for the right for us to do stuff like this.
Oh, here's our friend.
What's going on, fellas?
How are you?
How you doing?
Good, man. Good to see you. Hey, I was...
To actually go to the same schools, to shop in the same squares, and even go on vacation, right? Man, it's so lovely now, man, and I don't take it for granted. I appreciate everybody, all of our ancestors, man, yours, mine, and the people that contributed, because it wasn't always black folks out there fighting. That's the crazy thing. Our history is amazing. So today, I know this is an unboxing, but today, I get to celebrate with Trifecta. I have a few things here that I want to show you. We're gonna showcase some stuff, man, and it's gonna have like multiple meanings. Everybody get to participate. You even get to use a code. I have a code, so just think about that. My ancestors fought, and people that helped us. Our white brethren that helped us. Our Puerto Rican brethren that helped us. I know a little bit about history. I know it's in my family, man. They helped us get to this point now. I can present this to you, man. And shout out to my man Mark and Jake over at Trifecta, man. Amazing guys, man. Link will be down in the description. So let's look and see what they got us today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know you've been waiting for this for oh so long, but we do have a Mark Anthony timepiece from Bulova, and this is for the ladies. Yes, I thought it was fair time for the ladies to actually get in on the fun. So of course you have his signature in the box, really nice, look like felt. But look at this piece right here. This thing is ready to go. Rose tone with that black bezel, all those sharp hands, the Bulova logo, and of course you have diamond iron markers right there, man. It's okay. That's different. At the 1, 3, and the 5 o'clock, that is very interesting. I really like that. Let's see here. Very petite. So for those ladies that don't really like a very large watch, this would be nice for you. So we will get further into this. I will go over all of the details. Just want to showcase this. And we have one more watch for you guys to see. Now, this is for that adventurous woman. The lady that wants something a little more daring and bold. Yes. We have a Citizen Pro Master. Oh, look at that there. That's a beauty right there. That is a beauty. Let's go ahead and take that off the foam so you guys get a closer look at it. Wow. Oh, that thing shines up. Man, I would love to see this in the sunlight. And we will get that. I will go over full description on both watches. But these watches you can get right now. If you can't wait until the actual review, and that watch right there is $375. I will be doing a full review on both of these watches, as well as give you the information that you need to get over to Trifecta. You can get either one of these watches for your ladies right now. But go down in my description and go ahead and type in Trifecta 3D and save you a little bit of money. So I will see you guys on the next video. We have something special in the next video. Oh, you're not going to believe what I got in this next video. So until the next lightning strike, ladies and gentlemen, you guys be blessed.